The volume is adjusted using the volume knob on the right front of the unit. Alternatively, the system can be muted by pushing the mute button to the left of the volume knob. When the mute icon is flashing, the system is muted, and when the icon is solid, the system is unmuted. To adjust the sounds that the system uses, press and hold the mute button. Toggle through the 4 different types of sounds that the system uses with the background count button. You can change each one of those sounds by toggling through the options using the target count button. To exit, press the mute button once again.